given that p is equal to the square root of 2 plus root 3 and q is equal to the square root of 2 minus root 3. Find p squared plus q squared. We take down solution. For us to answer this question, we are going to make good use of this property. We know that for any surd, root a, if we square root a, this will simply be equal to a. This and this will strike off. Now we need to start by finding p squared and q squared. P is equal to root 2 plus root 3. Then p squared will simply be equal to the square root of 2 plus root 3, all this squared. Applying this formula, this will simply be equal to 2 plus root 3. Next, we have to find q squared. We know that q is equal to the square root of 2 minus root 3. Then, squaring both sides, q squared will be equal to the square root of 2 minus root 3, all this squared, which is simply equal to, applying this formula, this will give us 2 minus root 3. We know p squared and we know q squared. It is very easy now for us to proceed to find this sum. P squared plus q squared will simply be equal to, we take the value of p squared, which is 2 plus root 3, plus the value of q squared, which is 2 minus root 3. This will simply be equal to, we are adding two sets. What we are simply going to do is, we are going to start by adding their whole number parts. And after adding the whole number parts, then we add the irrational parts. 2 plus 2 gives us 4, plus root 3 minus root 3 gives 0. The answer will simply be 4. Then we conclude, therefore, p squared plus q squared is equal to 4. We are done with the solution of this question. If in case you have any doubts, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please, you like the video, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.